Welcome to Cleantie video tutorial number 7, Pickup and Delivery Process. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step process of how to set up your route delivery in Cleantie. Cleantie offers a complete and comprehensive route planning system with an optimization technology. Cut down on operating costs, reduce drive time and mileage, and improve customer service with Cleantie route planning solution. Identify the shortest, fastest, and most efficient routes within minutes, and take the headache out of route planning and scheduling. Monitor delivery time, number of deliveries, ratings and reviews of drivers, canceled, undelivered, and delayed orders, and much more to help you take control of your business. Optimize deliveries with complete route management software. Cleantie Interactive Manifest uses the real-time route manager to provide you with step-by-step delivery instructions. Delivery drivers can save time and fuel with up-to-date information on traffic conditions, distances between travel times. To get started, select Admin from the top navigation menu. Select Delivery Schedule from the left menu. Step 1. Create delivery routes by selecting Add a new route icon. Enter route name and description. Select Add Daily Schedule for each delivery day. Use proper starting and ending time. You may add multiple delivery time slots each day, e.g. 9 to 12 and 2 to 6. Use the map to create a delivery area. Find a good place to start and click on the map as the starting point. Select the second point to draw a line, then next points to create a shape that is your delivery area. Once the lines are connected, it will show the polygon. Verify that all of the points are in the right spot. You can move a line by pressing Undo button or erase the entire area by pressing the Erase button. Select Add Update Route icon to complete the process. Repeat the above steps for each route. Set up your delivery customers by following the steps below. Edit customer profile, enter delivery address, select Verify option to make sure the address is verified by Google Maps. Select delivery settings. If the address is within the delivery areas, the proper delivery route is assigned automatically. You're not able to change the delivery route manually. Assign pickup schedule type. Regular pickup customers are always scheduled on regular delivery. On-demand pickup customers are scheduled only when pickup request is made by phone or through the mobile app. Cleantie Cleantie Manifest is used to create manifest for delivery invoices, regular pickup customers, on-demand pickup by phone, or pickup requests that is made through the customer app. Step 1. Select Manifest option from the top menu. Select Route and Delivery Date. All delivery invoices for the selected route are shown on the screen. Press Select All to select all invoices, or select Scan option to scan the invoices to be included in Manifest. Scanning invoices is an important step to verify delivery invoices and look for missing orders. Press Next to go to Step 2. Step 2 is used to add on-demand pickup customers as well as mobile app customers with scheduled pickup. Press Select All and press Next to go to Step 3. Step 3 is used to add regular pickup customers that are on regular pickup schedule. Press Select All or unmark a customer that regular pickup schedule. Press Next to go to Step 4. Step 4 is used to create the manifest using the optimization technique that identifies the shortest, fastest, and most efficient routes with step-by-step delivery instructions. You may skip the optimization process if you have assigned your own stop numbers to customers. Select View on Map option to see the manifest on the map. Stops for pickup, P, and delivery, D, are marked with different colors. The top of the map shows the travel time as well as total distance. Step-by-step delivery instructions, the invoice details, customer balance, and delivery notes are shown on the manifest. Select Print to print the manifest for backup purposes and press Save to save the manifest. The manifest is used by the driver app to create complete and comprehensive instructions for the driver through the pickup and delivery process. You may view or update the saved manifests. Select Manifest, select the desired saved manifest from the list, and press Update. Go through the process as before. You may change the order of the assigned stop numbers dynamically. Select the customer, drag and drop it to the desired position, and press Save. If you don't wish to use Cleantie's dynamic optimization function, you may assign your own stop number to customer's pickup delivery order. Select Customers from Delivery Schedule. Select Optimize to optimize the customer's stop number for the first time. Then drag and drop the customer to the stop position you wish to have. Now, during manifest creation, don't select the Optimize option in order to keep your stop order in place. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to watch our other videos.